Hey guys, it's Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to share with you two public domain resources from where you can download images and then you can modify those images and create Redbubble designs out of it. These are really awesome websites, so definitely. And the thing is that there is a huge collection of images which you can utilize from this website. So definitely, let's jump into the content and let me show you both of these websites. We are now into our computer screen, and this is the first website which you can utilize. It is known as search.creativecommons.org. Now this is a website which has a lot of images, and a lot of images out of those are creative commons or public domain images which you can utilize anywhere on any platform. The thing is that just modify those images a little bit so that it doesn't look like that it is a copy of something. Okay, that is something which you should need to take care of. Now the thing is that let's search something. Like I search for clip art because clip art is the most common form of images that a lot of people need while they are creating designs for some print on demand websites. So you can see that there are a lot of images which can be found over here on this website, and you can use all these images because they are all in a public domain. Okay, so you can see you can use these images commercially, as well as you can also take over here so that all these images don't even require to give any credit to anyone. Okay, so you can just download these images and use these images to create a lot of designs for yourself, for your print on demand store. The thing is that you have to download the image, and after that you can modify it according to your will and then create a perfect design out of it. This is something which is really awesome. Not many people are using this, so there is a great chance that you can use this website. Okay, let me go to another website which you can also utilize and less people are using, that is bing.com. Yes, Bing, you can also go and search images on Bing, and there is also an option to search for public domain images on Bing. For example, I am going to type here butterfly. Okay, let's just type in, for example, butterfly. So once you have typed in butterfly over here, you can check out the license and then you can just select here public domain. So you can see there are a lot of very beautiful public domain images, and all these images are high quality images which you can utilize, okay, for your Redbubble. Okay, so there is a great chance that you can use these images. There is a lot of clip art which is also available on different websites, so you can also utilize that clip art, and you can just remove the backgrounds of these images and create good designs out of it. So there is a huge opportunity for all of you to use these two platforms, find some images and make some awesome print on demand designs for your Redbubble store. I hope that you will be utilizing this platform to the best extent which you. So guys, these are the two websites which you can utilize to download some images, convert those images into Redbubble designs, and literally make more money online using the power of print on demand. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.